meditation for stress. Get into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in and out. Open your mouth and breathe in through your mouth as you breathe out through your nose. Take another breath slowly, and this time close your eyes slightly. You are about to get into a relaxed state. And you are about to deal with stress. Think of your struggles at work and visualize them. You do not need to imagine anything right now. Just visualize the problems you face at work. Like your bills, your next presentation, your proposal, and the next interview. As you visualize these problems, take a deep breath in and out. I want you to see how your problems look and see them fading away. As they fade away, you begin to feel relieved and calm. Breathe in slowly and breathe out through your nose. Imagine that you are floating up in the clouds, and as the clouds are moving, you are getting relaxed and comfortable. You do not need to know where the cloud is taking you to. Just calm down and enjoy this moment. Inhale the fresh air from the sky and exhale the air through your mouth. The cloud is drawing closer to your office, and soon you are floating above the roof of your office. You feel calm and relieved even as the cloud lowers you to the ground, and as you get down, you feel the earth beneath you. You feel the earth beneath you is becoming soft as you feel like sinking into the ground. You feel comfortable walking on the ground as you keep walking to your office. Now that you are in your workplace, imagine that there is an elevator. You get into this elevator, and as this elevator goes upward, you feel relieved. The more relieved you feel, the calmer you are. In this elevator, you feel you are in a different world entirely. You feel the sensation even more as you enjoy this moment. The elevator is in front of the boardroom, and as you walk out of the elevator, you feel the ground soft. You feel like sinking into it. You walk on the ground comfortably and walk into the boardroom. Imagine the boardroom is dark with nobody in there. As soon as you take a seat, the light comes on and you feel even more calm and relieved. In this boardroom, you begin to hear a solemn song playing. You feel calm and relieved. You begin to let go of the awkward and overwhelming feeling you got reflect from the last board meeting. As you breathe in slowly and hold your breath, you let go of the resentment you have towards your colleagues at work. You feel good and cozy as you let go of these issues, like anger, disappointments, and struggles. Take another deep breath in and enjoy the song playing in the background. You are feeling calm and relieved. Now, shift your attention towards your mind. Search inwards your body and mind and find the intentions of your heart. You begin to see the fears you have towards your next project. Take a deep breath in and out. Stand up from your seat and walk around the board table. As you walk around, you feel calmer and comfortable. In this room, there are 12 chairs, and you begin to count each chair and touch them. You touch the first chair and count. As you count, you become calmer and more relieved. Then you touch other chairs, from the second to the 5th chair to the 8th chair. You realize you are calmer as you count more numbers. You count the last number, 12, and you feel like a load was lifted off you. You return to your seat and sit calmly. Your eyes are feeling heavy, so you rest your head on the table to catch some sleep. You are about to doze off, but you are awake because you feel a cold hand patting your shoulder. You look up and see the man looking at you and smiling. He says hello and welcomes you to his world. You look around and wonder what he means. He tells you not to be afraid, but rather trust in what he has to say to you. He asks you to take a deep breath in and out. He then asks you to rest your back comfortably on the chair. As you sit comfortably, he asks you to focus on your mind and say out the first issues your mind brings to you. You close your eyes and do as he says. The first thing your mind brings up is about your relationship with your boss. You feel calm about the selection, and you are beginning to drift into a sleepy state. The man snaps his finger, and you wake up. He tells you to write in a paper 5 things you like about your boss, and 5 things you dislike about him. He also asks you to write 5 ways you can help your boss become better. As you write this, you become calmer. You are smiling, and you are beginning to imagine yourself and your boss having a long and interesting conversation the next day. You write it all, and the man asks you to keep it. He smiles at you again and walks out of the room. You are feeling unusual and good about this, but you are stuck in the conference room. You walk out since feeling relaxed and calm. You get into the elevator to take you downstairs. As you go down, you are beginning to have slight control over your environment, but not fully. You imagine you are floating back in the sky. You are returning home, and you still feel the sensation coming from calmness. You are in bed now. You feel great, and your mind is settled. You have the solutions to your problems, and you feel slightly awake and conscious right now. You can begin to open your eyes gradually and return back to your normal activities. You are fully awake and refreshed. Now you can go back to work.